mac and cheese today. So the cheese is going to be substituted by butternut squash. So I'm just going to tell you what I've done to this butternut squash. That sounded so weird. Okay, so I took the butternut squash, I put it in the oven. Literally took the whole thing, put it in the oven. This is actually 2 butternut squash because I figured we would need a lot.
Squashes.
And I don't know, is the plural of squash squashes? Because that's a verb.
I think some words can be verbs and nouns at the same time.
Can you give us another example? Squash eye.
Anyway, so I baked it for 30 minutes at 350, took it out of the oven, cut it, and diced it, and that's it. That's what you see right here. Okay? And then I also made some macaroni, and so this is brown rice pasta for anyone who's gluten-free, and it's just cooked pasta drained in a container. Okay? That's all the prep work I've done. Everything else is going to be right in front of you before your own very eyes. Okay, so I'm going to put some water in this pan and I'm going to let it heat up. So I think the way I'm going to have to do this is I'm going to have to cook the broccoli first, because normally you have 2 pots for this and you're like cooking in one and the other. So I'm going to cook the broccoli first in here and then put it somewhere else, not sure where yet, maybe on a plate. And then I'm going to take the butternut squash, cook the butternut squash, you steam it a little bit, and then after that's done, you add some almond milk, some spices, and you blend it. And then you put macaroni in and the broccoli in, and that's your mac and cheese. Okay? It's really actually kind of fun to make. I made it this weekend. That's why I'm making it today. Okay, so it looks like this is pretty much boiling. How much broccoli do you guys want? I tend to overdo the broccoli, so. All right, let's do the broccoli. We'll do some broth. For 5 to 6 minutes, just to get it, you know, basically it's like we're steaming it, but I don't have a cover for this. So it's just gonna be nice and soft, put it aside, and then I'm gonna steam the butternut squash, and then blend it all up with the broccoli and the macaroni. This is going to be a little stuck together, yeah, that's what I thought. But when we add the liquid, it'll loosen up a little bit. So adding the cheese to the mac and cheese. So it has a nice, beautiful consistency. And now I'm just going to spread it around to kind of moisten and loosen macaroni. And then I'll add the broccoli once this is all set.
Like, take the camera in here, refill it, pour it out. Oh.
And now I'm gonna add the broccoli. Bada boom, bada bing.